Hey everyone, this is Yoshida. If you're new to the channel, I am Yoshida. I am a self-employed hairstylist who like to get my life together by planning minimally and functionally using a planner, and sometimes I do budget planning. But this video today is about our September budget box. I got a little after inquiries about it, and I just turned on the camera and say, hey, let's just show up and let's just show you guys what was in that box. So someone requested the box after it was over with, and so this is in size mini HP. I'm actually about to ship it off, but I wanted to explain that you'll get 36 pages. You get your cover page, so that's 2, and then there's 34 weeks of daily affirmations. So over here, and also I want to give you an idea how to use it as well. Over here you have Monday through Sunday. You can also wipe this out and put in your own dates. I started to leave it empty, but I just wanted to kind of guide you, quote unquote. And so here you can also put just the theme for that day. So if you're, let's say it's money, it doesn't always have to be a money affirmation. It could be a faith, and you can put a quote here about your faith and your money. And then you can just go ahead and use the cards that come with it and write that down. Because I just find that when you write down your affirmations, that's how the money comes. Even saying them, but writing them down is just the best, okay? So again, you get 34 pages front and back, and then on the back of it, you have a note section, and then here it is just a graph open space of what have you gained this week from your daily affirmations. You can use stickers, you can use sticky notes, you can just actually write on here and just map out your week, or if you need to continue with some more notes, you can definitely just make it more notes. Again, everything is optional. Write that out, put whatever you want. And if you like this as a weekly, use it as a weekly. It doesn't necessarily have to be the daily affirmation. So there we have that. The Affirm dashboard. This dashboard is just a capture of a past box and just with some quotes on it. The first one being affirm your money. Daily affirmations for your money will help to grow your finances. The second one is affirm your life. Affirm what you want for your life, and then affirm your peace. Affirm what peace will look like for you in your life. And that is the Affirm dashboard. It comes in a black and white. Next up is our sticker set. Each box comes with a set of stickers. And in this month's, September's box, you get our regular sticker sheet, which always come with these 4 lines here, which is dollar bills that you could use, or a dollar sign that you can use for when you get paid. The next one is like a calculator and a money bag, which you can use for like budgeting. And then we have here credit cards, a row of credit cards, your car note because, you know, or transportation, however you want to use it, a piggy bank, of course, for saving. And then each month, these change according to the season that we're in or going into. And these are, you have grocery, you have a time clock because time will be going back, you have a location sticker, we have fall leaves, football because it's football season, a wind, a jack-o'-lantern or a pumpkin, a reminder bell, and then a turkey, of course, because we're going into the holiday season. And then here, these are the daily affirmation kind of, not quote stickers, but these are the script stickers. So just a reminder to write down your daily affirmations, or you can put that in that empty space on the side and then write the affirmation. But I have these half circles, and I just always like to think of kind of layering, a good layering moment. So you could take the daily affirmation and layer it over the half circle. And then we have the money quotes. So some of these quotes are actually from the quote cards that you'll see in a moment. And so you can put those in a place if you just don't feel like writing that day. You can also put these in your blank spaces with your semicircle, or either you can just put this on your daily plans. Just to remind you, I personally need these because I write my money affirmations on my daily plans. So that's what we have as far as stickers. Now, these right now are in the shop. It's sold as a bundle. I'm going to figure out how I can do it for you guys where you can get it each individual. But normally what we do is these go into a regular size form, but it's just really cheaper to get the set because I believe the set right now, I brought the price down to like $17.75. If you were to buy these individually, they will be like $5.50. something like that, to that effect. So don't quote me on it. Next up, these are the 2 pens that came in the September box. I'm going to show you separately. The first one is the beige one, which is a Mira 0.5 anti-vibration pen. This pen writes beautifully. It is also smear proof. And then we have the Line Flow pen, also 0.5. It's by Deli, one of my favorite pens. Again, very bold, very fluidy, very liquidy pen, and also too, just with a second, so it will dry fast as well. Next up, we have a taupe transparent sticky note. It comes like this. So this is the taupe, and it is a little less than 2 inches. I believe that it was 45 millimeters. That's what I was told. But in measuring, it's about 1 1/4, something like that, inches wide. Nice little transparent sticky note. Great for taking notes. Also another layering moment. Put your quotes over these as well. That's what I was thinking when I ordered them, that you could use them to layer over your quotes or to layer your quotes over them. And again, it should come like this, and it should say taupe transparent sticky. Then we have the money affirmation cards. I was telling someone I ordered 30 in a box, but somehow we ended up with 28. So you'll get 28 money affirmations, and they're just different sayings. So for 28 days, you can change out your quote, or you can run a quote back. I personally, sometimes I'll run a quote back because I just like that quote. I feel like it might have worked for me. Again, like in the insert here, what have you gained this week from your daily affirmations? That I needed that for me, and I was just hoping someone else would too, because like this week I was like reading over some of them, going through some of these cards, and the money was flowing. So I just thought it was a perfect idea, and I thought it was perfect to put that on the insert as well. So get in this box, they included a look inside card, and this card just lets them know everything that was in the box, and it comes front and back. There's a QR code, and I'll just put it right there in case you want to scan to go right to the website. Now, the whole box is not on there, but also you could just go there if you want to pick up some extras or just some of the things that were listed in this video. Also in this box came a bubble wrapped acrylic like frame, and it is frosted. It is double-sided with the frost. You need to take that off. I like to use tweezers to get that off. Pretty much just use some tweezers, start at the corners, and then you can peel that back. And these are not on the site. We do have some available. It's just trying to capture the correct picture. So I may just list them with the card inside. And then we had the Remember Your Why card. We just had so many left over, trying to get rid of them, so that's why they were included in September's. And then a lot of people love these save cards, so we added those again. And these are our chocolate roses, and that's that. So that is everything that was in our September box. I hope you guys enjoyed the thought process and the flip through of that. And if there's something there, tell me what was your favorite thing in our September box. I think I'm going to do this for a few more videos, for a few more boxes. Unfortunately, I'm kind of ending the budget box, but for the next few ones, I wanted to, we'll have them for a few more months, but I just haven't decided on a date that I will be ending the budget box. But for the next few months, just, you know, we're going to try to continue this up so you can kind of see my thought process, because we're going to be pivoting to some new things for Norris Cove. Not necessarily new, but get into some more of our inserts that I've been enjoying making, and I would love to share with you guys. But I want to do more in depth of how my products work, and I just want to start a little series here and share that with y'all. But I did want to start to let everyone know what was in the box and break it down for myself. Like, I do rely a lot of times on my customers to share with you, but I wanted to give you my own feedback and why I chose what I chose, why I love it so much. And I just think that'll be great for these next couple of months while we're continuing the box. just to let you see how to use it. And again, I will be showing you some more in-depth of how to use most of our products, and especially with this daily affirmations, like I'm loving that. So I definitely want to share that with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, thank you so much for stopping by. Leave me a message in the comment section. Let me know that you are new here. Click that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.